Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to create or establish a connection between Google Sheet and your MySQL server using Google Apps Script. So to create a MySQL server, I'm using free mysqlhosting.net which gives you a 5 MB of space, and once you log in and sign up with your email ID, you will get credential for the database, MySQL database. So basically you need to create a database. So here you will find a button called create database. Once you click on that, your database will get created on this free MySQL hosting, and you will get the details, the database details like server name, username, password and port number. So let's take this detail and go to your Google Sheet, open a script editor. Let's name this as MySQL. Let's assign this as a variable. So that's it. We have all the details that is needed to connect your Google Sheet to MySQL server. Let's see how to connect. So just go to a Google Apps Script documentation, where you can see under the jdbc connection tab. Here you can see some documentation on how to connect to our MySQL server using Google Apps Script through jdbc. So let's take this sample and go here, create a function. Let's name this as create connection. So let's create a variable called URL, and we'll take out this and put it here. All the URL connection starts with jdbc :mysql followed by the host name, and here the host name is server, and the port is, just give a port because we already created a variable for that. And in the instance you have to give the DB name, and this DB name should go here. That's it. We have created the URL, and the username should go here, and the password should go here. So let's print this and see whether we can able to connect or not. So when you're executing this for very first time, you need to give a permission. So this get executed successfully, and if you click on the logs, you can see the jdbc connection. So the connection has been established properly. So now let's see how to create a table from Google Apps Script. If you just scroll down, you can see documentation for that as well. So we need to basically create a statement object, and with statement object you need to use a method execute to create table. So let me put that. So let's create a statement and use this connection, and click on the create statement and use that statement here and execute what is the query that you want to execute. So now to create a table, you have to use this command. So basically here we are creating a table named myGuest with two columns. One is an ID and another one is a first name. ID is of type integer and first name is of type string. So let's execute and see. Before that, I will go to the PHP admin Just refresh that. And if you see here, none of the tables were shown. So let's execute this statement and see whether this script create a table on the MySQL server or not. So the script is executed successfully. Let's go to PHP admin and just do a refresh once again. So if you see here, the script is successfully created a table myguess, and now let's go ahead and insert some record to this table. So to insert a record, we need to execute insert statement. So it's just insert ID as a 1 and first name as Adam. Now let's execute and see whether it successfully insert the record or not. So basically, if you see, it doesn't list anything. Just do a refresh, and if you see here, it successfully insert the record 1 and Adam. So this is how you need to establish a connection between your Google Apps script and your MySQL server using a jdbc. And if you want to explore more about that, you can just check out the documentation here, and definitely we'll talk more about this jdbc connection in the upcoming videos. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, just drop your doubts in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you. Bye bye.